Hello and welcome to another update video on FET. I'm here on the Fetch.ai 1 hour time frame and the downside pressure remains high on this chart. Just in my last update I said it might be that this blue wave 2 has already topped, and today we see the continuation of that move to the downside. Until I would say today a broader B wave was still a likely scenario. While this is still possible, I have removed that scenario now from the chart because it is just not likely anymore. Of course, the market can recover at any time, but yeah, I mean, without even a break above the last swing high, which formed here around 27.5 cents, there is absolutely no sign that the bulls are taking the lead. And even then, we would need to see more than just a break above the last swing high. But this level is important, here at around 27.5 cents, because in this immediate downside scenario that I'm tracking in this C wave to the downside, the market, can continue to follow a 5-wave pattern in this particular structure, basically as long as we stay below it. A break above it will invalidate that directly bearish downside structure. But a break above, let's say it like that, an invalidation of a bearish roadmap isn't necessarily bullish. It is just less bearish. We need a 5-wave move up followed by a 3-wave pullback for an indication of a low. Now, in the last updates I shared with you, and I was very clear about it, I do not assume, we had 2 scenarios on the chart, one short term a little bit more bullish but still bearish, and the other one directly bearish, that there is currently no evidence that this low has formed, because we simply haven't seen any upside impulse, but also there was no real reversal pattern anyway, and even something that looked a bit like a double bottom structure, and these often break, and we had not even broken above any resistance level. So yeah, pressure remains downward at the moment. And a while ago we defined together in this video here, in these videos, what the target to the downside is, and it's this blue zone. That's a target zone, because if we have seen indeed an A wave down already and a B wave up in this move to the downside, and I'm not even confident about this wave structure, but we focus on what works for now, then the price should reach in this C wave the 13 cent to 18 cent area, and we are on our way to that area. And I have to say, I don't predict a turnaround there, but it's the area I'd be watching. Why do I say I'm not confident? Just because the overall wave structure has become very damaged on the 10th of October, as you probably know. So while I'm still observing here, I don't see a high quality trade setup at the moment. But we said it many times here in these videos, this could be a B wave low that formed on the 10th of October, but will need to be confirmed by a break above the signal levels that we're tracking, for example, the 50 cent level. But we're far away from the 50 cent level right now. This is where the selling volume started to kick in. So pressure remains downward. If anything changes, I will of course let you know. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.